Hey guys, what's up? This is an old 1 gigabit network switch. And yeah, I know, it's freaking enormous for a 1 gig switch. It's, like I said, a bit old. This is a Foundry Networks 1 gigabit switch. And I got this a while ago on eBay because I thought it was cool, and that's about it. It's got like 24 or something like that, RJ45s and the SFP. It's a pretty cool switch, and in today's video I thought it'd be fun to tear it down. So, it should be possible with just the standard screwdriver, but if it doesn't work, I've got a drill. I know this is kind of a random video, but I really want to tear this thing down, and I feel like it would be really cool if there's some cool stuff in here for you guys to come along with me. I know people have torn down switches that have literally had more powerful computers than some desktops inside, because there do exist like 100 gig switches and even higher than that, and some of them, or a lot of them I would say, have so much as upgradable DDR3 RAM, which is just really cool. So I don't know what I'm hoping for here, but I hope it's something cool. Wow, that was easy. And what do we have on the inside? Oh, that's fucking cool. Oh my god, I forgot how fucking terrifying these were. That's so scary. Right. Yeah, this is about to become a YouTube short. I forgot how actually freaking terrifying it is to tear these apart. Because, by all means, it's a pretty standard motherboard here. You have your network chips or whatever, some processing stuff, a chipset, who knows, you know, a bunch of capacitors. And then you just have an open fucking power supply, AC to DC power supply. This shit's scary. This'll kill you. I'm done. That's the video. Forgot how I really thought there'd be something cool in here. Could I build a computer in this? Flex ATX goes here. Oh yeah, I could totally build a computer in this. I've had an idea. I'm not gonna do it in this video, but God, this is terrifying. You know what? Today's just not the day to do this. Okay, let's gauge interest on this. Leave a like if you want me to build a computer inside of this old network switch enclosure. It'd be pretty good. I'd probably go with something maybe a little better than this 1070, probably maybe Quadro RTX A4000, whatever the hell they call it now. Something like that. Pretty decent CPU. I could probably get some liquid cooling going if I talk to the guys over at Asetek. Yeah, I think we can get this. I think we can build a computer in this. So let me know if you want to see that. This video sucks. Oh man. I just don't want to touch that because, ow, it would give me a boo-boo if I touch a capacitor and... See you in the next one. You know, open power supplies are fucking terrifying because if you just bridge the contacts with your hand in the wrong place, you're just dead. Nothing really else to say about that. You touch the wrong thing, you get boo-boo, dead, goodnight, you know? It's like, remember how you were alive? Now you're not. You're not alive anymore. Goodbye being alive person. Now you're being dead person. Alive person is no more. That's the view.